Here's what you need to know about what is Hsrp. This is an exam topic in Domain 3, Network Operations. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. Hsrp stands for Hot Standby Router Protocol. It is a Cisco proprietary protocol that allows two or more routers to share a virtual IP address. If the active router fails, the standby router takes over automatically, keeping the network online without user intervention. Key concept: active and standby routers. Hsrp elects one router as active and one as standby. The active router handles all traffic. The standby monitors the active and takes over within seconds if the active router fails. Key concept: virtual IP and MAC address. Clients use a single virtual IP as their default gateway. Hsrp creates a virtual MAC address for this IP. When failover occurs, the standby router assumes both the virtual IP and MAC with no client reconfiguration needed. Key concept: priority and preemption. Routers with higher priority become active. If preemption is enabled, a recovered high-priority router reclaims the active role automatically. Without preemption, the standby stays active even after the original recovers. Key concept: hello and hold timers. Hsrp routers send hello messages every 3 seconds by default. If the standby does not hear from the active for 10 seconds, hold timer, it assumes the active has failed and takes over. Let's look at the full breakdown. Active router forwards all traffic, responds to virtual IP MAC, sends hello messages every 3S. Standby router listens for hello messages, takes over if hold timer expires, monitors active router health, virtual IP, shared gateway for all clients. Clients never change their config, survives active router failure. Here's a real-world example. Two Cisco routers share a virtual IP of 192.168.1.1 using Hsrp. All 200 Office computers use 192.168.1.1 as their default gateway. Router A is active. During maintenance, Router A is rebooted. Within 10 seconds, Router B detects the failure, assumes the virtual IP, and traffic continues flowing. Users experience a brief pause but no outage. Quick recap before you go. 1. Hsrp is a Cisco proprietary first-hop redundancy protocol. 2. Active router handles traffic, standby takes over on failure. 3. Virtual IP and MAC address hide the failover from clients. 4. Priority determines which router becomes active. Preemption allows recovery. 5. Hello timer. 3S, vertical bar, hold timer, 10S. Standby takes over after 10S of silence. That's what is Hsrp covered. Exam tip: Hsrp is Cisco proprietary. VRRP is the open standard equivalent. If an exam question mentions Cisco routers and gateway redundancy, Hsrp is the answer. Remember, active router =sign forwards traffic, standby =sign monitors only. Next up, what is VRRP? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.